What does lagging for the break really mean, and how can you use it as a coaching tool?
Okay, grab any ball and bring it to the top of the table. This is lagging for break. Both players shoot from behind the head string, second diamond on the side rails, toward the foot cushion, trying to get the cue ball as close to the head cushion, which is that top rail. This is what a good lag looks, and this is what we're going to be calling a level 5 lag. Level 5. Okay, if I ask for a slow roll, I'm asking for a lag speed of 1. And now here we go with the lagging speed of 2. These are usually good for our safety game. Let's try to keep from hitting the rail or at least bouncing off the rail 1 to 2 inches. Okay, so here we're going to try to increase the speed a little bit and hit that bottom rail and get it to at least the side center pocket. Next, we're going to try to gauge a level 4 right back to where the Q-tip is, so where our starting point is. Now these are just in general kind of approximations. Now back to that lagging speed of level 5, just to give you another view of what our mid-range is. This is kind of what we gauge. Now here we are lagging speed 6. Going to increase that speed so it gets at least a bounce. If we can get at least 2 diamonds to the center, that's pretty good. That's kind of what I was accomplishing. Now here's a lagging speed of 7. I'm hoping to get to that bottom rail. If I can push it, it looks pretty good. Okay, and then here we go with the lagging speed 8. I'm increasing my speed a lot more. I tend not to have any of my beginners hit this hard. I don't think it's necessary when we're just trying to pocket balls and play some general position. As you can see, that level 9 was pretty hard, trying to get that cue ball to roll out a little bit more. And then a lagging speed of 10 is typically your break if you're trying to smash the balls. And I don't really encourage that when you're playing position in any match. Just use it for the break. So, lagging speed 5 is the most important speed I think that we should kind of emphasize with our beginning students. Remember, lag speed levels should only be used as a coaching system for novice and beginners. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all have a good time.